Now, Amgen is a multinational biopharmaceutical company specializing in the development and manufacturing of innovative therapies to treat serious illnesses. The company is focused on using advanced biotechnology and scientific research to address some of the most complex medical conditions, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, kidney disease, inflammatory disease, and bone disorders. As a healthcare stock, the company can potentially weather any tougher US financial conditions that may be ahead. This is because even during a recession, healthcare needs are still prioritized, supporting healthcare stocks as a general rule of thumb. Now, over the last 20 years, Amgen's share prices has risen 85% of the time between the 31st of May and 29th of July. It's had an annualized return of over 72%. So in the face of worries over a looming US recession, is Amgen a healthcare stock worth considering? Major trade risks. The biggest risk here is, of course, is if the US debt ceiling talks fail to get passed by Congress in time, and this would likely sharply weaken US stocks in the near term. Remember that HYCM clients can access the SeasonX product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currencies, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. And all you need to do is contact your account manager for a free trial and you can get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.